We've been drilling on this industry for about 23 years already. We've been doing a lot of the fiber optic installing. Vermeer has been a good machine for us. This machine right here is better because it's made for rock. It's a good machine. It does a very good work. This is way different than what we've been using. This is a lot more efficient and effective. It has that inner rod in it that it makes the head turns. It makes it cut the rock better. When I go out, it's easy for me to reach Vermeer equipment because I use Troy with Vermeer, and I call him and we get the service department out there as quick as they can. They really work hard to get our needs and resolve our issues. They're always there for us to help us in any needs that we have. In our industry, we only use Vermeer.